7 Ways to Make Money Online in 2024. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about making money online, something I'm incredibly passionate about and something that's changed my life completely. We're diving deep into 7 proven strategies that can help you generate income online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn a few extra $100 a month, or you're dreaming of building a full-time location-independent business, these methods can help you get there. Remember, making money online takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn. There's no magic button, but with the right approach and these strategies as your guide, you can unlock serious income potential. We'll break down each method, exploring the pros and cons, the steps to get started, and some real-world examples. We'll cover everything from affiliate marketing and e-commerce to freelancing and even investing. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started on your journey to online income generation. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing, one of the most popular ways to make money online. And for good reason. It's a business model with incredibly low startup costs, meaning you can get started without needing a ton of capital. Essentially, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services. You do this by recommending them to your audience through your website, blog, social media, or email list. The beauty of it is, you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. So, you're essentially getting paid for sending customers to businesses. Now, the key to success in affiliate marketing really boils down to choosing the right niche. You want to pick something you're passionate about, something you understand, and something that has a large enough audience interested in buying related products or services. Trust me, it's much easier to promote things you genuinely believe in. Once you've found your niche, you need to join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great starting point with millions of products you can promote. But don't limit yourself. There are tons of niche affiliate programs out there that might be a better fit for your audience. Now, you can't just slap an affiliate link on your website and expect money to roll in. You need to create high-quality, valuable content that attracts your target audience. Think blog posts, reviews, tutorials, videos, anything that provides value and naturally incorporates your affiliate links. And speaking of attracting an audience, SEO or search engine optimization is your best friend. By optimizing your content for relevant keywords, you can rank higher in search results and drive organic traffic to your website, increasing your chances of making those affiliate sales. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it can become a lucrative source of passive income. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and focus on providing value to your audience. Let's talk about e-commerce and dropshipping, 2 powerful models that have exploded in popularity, allowing anyone with an internet connection to build a global business right from their laptop. Now, e-commerce is exactly what it sounds like, buying and selling goods online. You can create your own online store or sell through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. Dropshipping takes it a step further, removing the need to hold any inventory. You partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping directly to your customer. This means you can focus on what matters most, marketing and customer service. The beauty of dropshipping is the low barrier to entry. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory upfront, making it a less risky option compared to traditional e-commerce. But, like any business, it requires careful planning and execution. The first step is finding a niche market with high demand and low competition. This takes research, but it's crucial to find products that people are actively searching for. Once you've identified your niche, you need to find reliable dropshipping suppliers. Platforms like AliExpress and Salehu can connect you with suppliers worldwide. Next up, you need to create an online store. Shopify is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to build a professional-looking website without any coding experience. Now remember, simply having a store isn't enough. You need to market it effectively to attract customers. Utilize social media marketing, run targeted ads, and leverage content marketing to drive traffic to your store. And don't forget about customer service. Providing excellent support can make all the difference in building a loyal customer base. E-commerce and dropshipping can be incredibly rewarding, offering flexibility, scalability, and the potential for high profits. But it does require hard work, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing world of online business. In the digital age, knowledge is power, and monetizing your expertise by creating and selling online courses or digital products is a fantastic way to generate income online. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, or personal finance. The possibilities are truly endless. The first step is identifying your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their pain points? What solutions can you offer through your course? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience and their needs, you can start creating high-quality content that provides real value. This could include video lessons, downloadable workbooks, quizzes, or even one-on-one coaching sessions. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it incredibly easy to create, host, and sell your online courses. They handle all the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on what you do best, delivering amazing content. But creating a great course is only half the battle. You need to market it effectively to attract students. Utilize social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience and showcase the value of your course. Consider offering free webinars or introductory lessons to give potential students a taste of what they can expect. Remember, building a successful online course business takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate way to build a sustainable online business while sharing your knowledge and helping others. And the best part, once you've created your course, it can generate passive income for months or even years to come. So, if you're passionate about teaching and have valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to online success. Chapter 4. Let's talk about freelancing and remote work, a game changer in today's job market, offering flexibility, freedom, and the potential to earn a significant income from anywhere in the world. The gig economy is booming, and companies are increasingly embracing the benefits of hiring freelancers and remote workers. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, virtual assistant, or possess any other in-demand skill, there's a good chance you can find freelance work online. The first step is to determine your niche and the services you want to offer. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you've identified your skills, it's time to create a strong online presence. Build a professional website or portfolio that showcases your work, skills, and testimonials from previous clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find freelance gigs. When creating your profile, be specific about your skills, experience, and the types of projects you're looking for. And don't be afraid to set competitive rates that reflect your worth. Networking is also crucial in the freelance world. Connect with other freelancers in your niche, join online communities, and attend industry events. Building relationships can lead to referrals, collaborations, and new opportunities. Remember, freelancing is a business, and like any business, it requires hard work, dedication, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. Be reliable, communicate effectively with clients, and always strive to exceed expectations. The beauty of freelancing is that you're in control of your own time and income potential. You can choose the projects you want to work on, set your own hours, and build a flexible lifestyle that fits your needs. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the freedom and flexibility of freelancing, there's never been a better time to take the leap. Chapter 5. Content creation and monetization. Turn your passion into profit. In the age of social media, content is king, and turning your passion for creating engaging content into a profitable online business is more achievable than ever before. From YouTube and Instagram to TikTok and Twitch, there are countless platforms where you can share your unique voice and build a loyal following. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your interests and target audience. Are you a natural storyteller with a knack for video editing? YouTube might be your perfect match. Are you a photography enthusiast with an eye for aesthetics? Instagram could be your ideal platform. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to start creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's entertaining videos, informative tutorials, stunning photography, or thought-provoking blog posts, consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule and stick to it. This will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. As your audience grows, you can start monetizing your content through various methods. One popular option is through advertising revenue. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch offer monetization programs that allow you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. You can also explore sponsorships, where brands pay you to promote their products or services to your audience. Affiliate marketing, as we discussed earlier, is another great way to monetize your content. Recommend products or services you love and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Remember, building a successful content creation business takes time, effort, and a deep understanding of your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and create a sense of community around your content. The more engaged your audience, the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your content and turn your passion into a sustainable online business. Chapter 6. Investing and trading grow your wealth online. Let's talk about investing and trading. Two powerful tools that can help you grow your wealth online. But remember, with any investment strategy, there's always an element of risk. It's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of investing, it's crucial to educate yourself about the different investment options available. From stocks and bonds to mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate, there are countless ways to invest your money. Each investment vehicle comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. Take the time to understand how each one works, the historical performance, and the level of risk you're comfortable with. Once you have a solid understanding of the basics, you can start exploring different investment platforms. Robinhood, for example, is a popular platform that offers commission-free stock and ETF trading, making it a great option for beginners. M1 Finance is another great platform for long-term investors, offering automated investing and fractional shares. The key to successful investing is to start small and gradually increase your investment amount as you gain experience and confidence. Don't feel pressured to go all in right away. Start with an amount that you're comfortable with and gradually increase your contributions over time. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't panic sell if the market takes a dip. Ride out the fluctuations and focus on the long-term growth potential of your investments. Regularly monitor your investments and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Stay informed about market trends, economic indicators, and any news or events that could impact your investments. Investing and trading can be an exciting and rewarding way to grow your wealth online, but it's crucial to approach it with caution, knowledge, and a long-term perspective. Chapter 7. Membership sites and subscription models. Build recurring revenue. Let's dive into membership sites and subscription models. A powerful way to generate recurring revenue by providing exclusive content and a sense of community to your audience. If you're passionate about a particular niche and enjoy connecting with like-minded individuals, this could be the perfect online business model for you. The first step is to identify your niche and the type of exclusive content you want to offer to your members. This could be anything from online courses and workshops to private forums, downloadable resources, or even one-on-one coaching sessions. The key is to create content that's valuable enough for people to pay for it on a recurring basis. Platforms like Patreon, Memberful, and Podia make it easy to create and manage your membership site. They handle all the technical aspects, including payment processing, content delivery, and member management, leaving you free to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content for your members. But creating a great membership site is only half the battle. You need to market it effectively to attract members and convince them to sign up. Highlight the exclusive benefits of joining your community, the value of your content, and the sense of belonging they'll experience as a member. Consider offering a free trial or a lower-priced introductory offer to give potential members a taste of what they can expect. Remember, building a successful membership site takes time and effort. It's about fostering a sense of community, providing consistent value, and nurturing relationships with your members. Engage with your members regularly, respond to their questions and feedback, and create a welcoming and supportive environment where they feel valued and heard. Membership sites and subscription models offer a fantastic opportunity to generate recurring revenue while building a loyal community around your passion. If you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a rewarding and sustainable way to build a thriving online business. Start your online income journey today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video valuable and that it sparked some ideas for your own online income journey. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. There's no overnight success, but with the right mindset and these strategies as your guide, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on making money online, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Let me know in the comments below which method you're most excited to try. I'm genuinely interested in hearing your thoughts and helping you on your journey. See you in the next video.